making a folding knife. This is a buck. I forget what model it is, but I like it a lot. The only thing I don't like about it is the reverse pocket clip. That's not the only reason I'm making a folding knife. It's because I just want to make a folding knife. I've always wanted to. I feel like I'm ready. So we are going to cut a piece of steel and then start forging on it. Alrighty, it is the next morning. I have the little piece of steel for the folding knife. Before I get to work on the folding knife, I've always wanted a little mount to go about here, so that you guys can be right there and looking down on the workbench. I'm always struggling to try and put a tripod somewhere on the ground, and it's really annoying because I'm always tripping over it, so I'm gonna make a little mount that'll go about right there. Wow. This is messy. Whoa. Wow, that worked really well. It's all clean. Okay, maybe I still need to clean that up, but that's for another time. This is where I'm gonna work for now. I have a little piece of Kydex that I'm gonna bend into shape. I use Manfrotto tripods, and their little connection, I want something I can slip right into it. So, because I need the mount that's on the tripod, you're probably not going to see this, but I'm just going to bend this, make it to where I can screw it in the wall and slip it right on. There we go. We got a mount. That turned out way better than I thought it would. Now when I'm, using blue Dicom, epoxying up handles, you can see all what I'm doing. With the wide GoPro angle. Great. Now, let's get back to making that folding knife. Alrighty, so I've got the blade all taped up and I'm ready to super glue it down. But first, gotta use some blue Dicom. The best color of Dicom possible. Blue Dicom. Alrighty, so I'm just going to put a little super glue. You can glob it around. A little bit along the spine. Get as much contact with the super glue as I can. Press down real hard, make sure it's on there good and well. Just gonna use a little carbide scribe. This one's actually one I made. And scribe around the knife. Okay, now that I have scribed around it, just gonna go under the edge and break that adhesive tape bond. That's why it's on there. The bond is not as strong as the super glue. And then peel off all I can of the tape. And then we will take a cutoff disc and cut out the shape. to what it needs to be. All the dimensions are just a tad bit oversized. So I think I'm gonna call it quits for an episode. I really don't know what I'm doing making a folding knife, but everything's going well so far, so I guess we'll keep on going. So thank you so much for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.